Welcome to Exams Daily. This video is for Indian Coast Guard syllabus and examination pattern. Indian Coast Guard has released a recruitment notification for the year 2020 for the post of Yatrik, Navik GD and DB post. And they had announced 50 vacancies for this recruitment, and they had announced the syllabus and examination pattern for this, and I will share you the examination pattern and syllabus. So at first selection process for this Indian Coast Guard is, so you are going to apply for this examination. After this they are going to check your application form, and then you want to submit your documents, and they are going to verify your documents that is clear or not, and then they called you for written test. So, and those who have completed written test, you are called for physical fitness and test and medical test, and then you are called for job training and then final selection. And the written examination will be of objective type only, and it will be generally covered subjects like quantitative aptitude, mathematics, general sciences, general English, general awareness, that is current affairs and general knowledge, and then reasoning, verbal and non-verbal. These are the things they are going to ask you in the written examination. So this is a very easy process, selection process. It is very easy process. So you people get ready for your examination, and syllabus is also very easy for this Indian Coast Guard recruitment, and I will share you full details about the syllabus. So for ATRIC, the subjects include questions from respective branches, that is mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication. In our channel we had already uploaded about the educational qualification needed for this Indian Coast Guard recruitment. So you can go through that and at first check for that, and then you can go for this syllabus. So at first they are going to ask you for questions from respective branches that belongs to your stream, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, and then general knowledge and current affairs, and then reasoning, and then aptitude, and then English. These are for Yatrik. And then for Navik, it is quantitative aptitude, general awareness, it includes current affairs and GK, and then general English, and then mathematics and general science. It is for Navik. And then subject wise details. So at first for English, the topics, it includes active, passive voice, direct, indirect sentences, preposition, passage, punctuation, synonyms and antonyms, verbs, adverbs, tenses. So these are the topics they are going to mainly ask you in the English subject. And then also use of pronouns, error spotting, reading comprehension, spell checks, close test, idioms and phrases, active and passive voice. Mainly they include grammar for this in English subject. So and then for general awareness, it includes history of India, culture and religion, geography, Indian politics, countries, capitals, currencies, awards, honors and recognitions, name of rivers, mountains, dams, sports, authors. So you want to study general awareness related with current affairs for this. CA is very important for this Coast Guard recruitment. So just go through general knowledge with current affairs. So this is important for general awareness topic. And then for quantitative aptitude, it includes number system, percentage and average, distance, time, distance and walk, and then profit and loss, and then ratio and proportions, simplification, simple and compound interest, and then number series. These are for quantitative aptitude. And then for mathematics, at first the topic includes set theory, relations and functions, quadratic equation, and then sequence and series, vectors, conic sections, straight lines, circles, trigonometry, permutations and combinations, statistics, probability, calculus, matrices and determinants. So for this you want to go through 6 to 12 standard books that is needed for this topics. So it is very basic topics for mathematics. So school books are enough to study material for this. And then for chemistry, it includes solids, liquids and gases, elements, and then chemical reactions, that is chemical formula, and then periodic table, and then metals and non-metals. These are included in chemistry. And then these are the topics for this Indian Coast Guard recruitment. So you people get ready for your examination, and very easy syllabus for this recruitment. And yes, hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.